In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook notifications not working, step by step. If you're missing important email alerts, calendar reminders, or document notifications from Outlook.com, this quick fix will help you get everything back on track. This works directly in your browser and doesn't require installing anything extra. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and make sure the Outlook.com tab is open. You'll want to be fully signed into your Microsoft account so you can access all notification settings properly. Once you're logged in and you see your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This opens the Outlook settings menu. From the settings panel, click on General. Under General, find and select Notifications. This is where Outlook controls all alert settings for mail, calendar events, and documents. Now, the most important step here is to make sure that notifications on Outlook are enabled. If this toggle is turned off, Outlook won't send you any alerts at all, no matter what else you configure. Turn it on if it's disabled. Next, carefully check the individual sections underneath. Make sure the mail notifications are checked so you receive alerts for new emails. Then confirm that calendar notifications are enabled so you don't miss meetings or reminders. Also, check the Documents section if you want alerts for shared files or document updates. Once you've verified that all the notification types you want are enabled, scroll down and click Save. This step is very important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. After saving, pay attention to your browser. If your browser asks for permission to show notifications from Outlook, make sure you click Allow. If you block notifications here, Outlook won't be able to send alerts, even if everything is enabled inside the settings. Once you allow notifications, Outlook should immediately be able to send you email, calendar, and document alerts as expected. To test this, you can send yourself a test email or wait for a new message to arrive and see if the notification appears. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Outlook notifications not working by checking the correct settings and allowing browser permissions. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and effective software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.